Start.
Good morning, children. Today I am going to take degrees of comparison. So up to 5th class, maybe 6th class also, I gave the degrees of comparison not to change, only degrees, okay, positive, comparative and superlative. But today I wanted to tell degrees of comparison how to change. So before going, I want to introduce how many types of the degrees of comparison. So we have 4 types of degrees of comparison. Number 1, ordinary type. Number 2, special type. Number 3, 2 places, 2 persons and 2 things. And fourth one is negative type. So today I wanted to tell one by one. Okay. So first one, ordinary type. Ordinary type. Ordinary type, in special type, third type, fourth type. Be careful what I am giving clues, you have to remember. So wherever we'll see superlative degree, before the adjective the is common in all superlative degrees. All, wherever you see, easily you can identify before the adjective there is the. Okay, ma? That is the superlative degree. But here what I am going to tell, first one is ordinary type. In the ordinary type also, before the superlative degree the is there. But how to identify that is the ordinary type? While you are going to learn, that clues you never get in the special type, in third type, and fourth type. That's what I told. 4 types are there. Okay, ma? So first one, Sita is the tallest girl. The tallest girl in the class. In the class. Okay. So here, this is the adjective. This is the adjective. So actually, what is the meaning of the adjective? Parts of speech I taught, no? Have you remember? Adjective means it describes a noun or pronoun. Here, who is the tallest one? Sita is the tallest one. Okay, that everybody knows. But here, before the adjective, the is there. For all the superlative degrees, this will be common wherever you see the superlative degree. But now we are going to know how is the ordinary type superlative degree. Okay, ma? So easily you can remember, very well. For all the ordinary type superlative degree, girl is common noun, it should be in singular. Common noun is a singular. That is the main important clue to identify that is the ordinary type. So number 1 is before the superlative degrees, all superlative before the adjective the is there. That is common in all superlative degrees. But whereas this common noun should be singular in only ordinary type. So how we have to identify? Common noun is singular. That's the main important one. Based on that we are going to change comparative to positive. Okay, ma? So these 3 are very important one. Now this is the superlative degree. Superlative degree. Now this superlative degree I am going to change into comparative degree. Sita is taller than any other girl in the class. So, is there any difference, ma? Yes. In the superlative degree, before the adjective, the is there. But here, this is the comparative degree. How we have to know that is the comparative degree? What is the common clue in all the comparative degrees? Than is common. That means in the comparative degree, we are taking more examples. But in the first one, we took more tallest girl in the class. But here, than any other means one or two examples we are taking. In the superlative degree, common clue is before the adjective the in the superlative degree. Okay. In the comparative degree, what is the common clue? Than is the common clue. Whereas this any other will use only in the ordinary type comparative degree. Okay. Okay. So why we written the any other? In the superlative degree, tallest girl common noun is a singular. There is no competition to Sita. Only that girl is the tallest one. Based on that, we are writing that any other girl not compete to the Sita. That's what we written. Than is the common any other girl in the class. But here I didn't write before the adjective the. The should be in the superlative degree. In the comparative degree, than is common. Okay, ma? Any other only will find in the ordinary type. Okay, this is the comparative degree. The third one, positive degree. When there is a superlative degree, we have to change into comparative, from comparative to positive degree. So, positive degree start with the no other. Start with the no other girl in the class is as tall as Sita. Here you have to identify. Once again I am telling. Ordinary type, superlative degree, how to identify means common noun is in singular. Then comparative degree, any other. This any other common noun is a singular only we'll see in the ordinary type. Then whereas positive degrees start with the no other. That means here there is no competition. That's what we written in the comparative degree any other. But positive degree start with the no other girl in the class is as tall as Sita. So again I'll tell what are the common. Before the adjective the is the common in all superlative degree. Than is common in all comparative degrees. As common in all positive degrees. Whereas we have to identify how is the superlative degree in ordinary type, in comparative degree, in positive degree. These three clues will come only in the ordinary type. Now one, common noun is a singular. Second one, than any other. Then here, no other. Positive degree start with the no other. This is the positive degree. Okay, ma'am? Have you understood? Now second one I am going to teach a little difference. Easily you can identify. So second one, Sita is one of the tallest girls in the class. Tallest girls in the class. Is there any difference? Yes, because here in the special type, what I told in the ordinary type, common noun is in singular. But here, is there a singular or plural, ma? Plural. Why? Because this is the special type. Then in the special type, superlative degree, common noun is in plural. Girls, common noun is in plural. That too, we written one of. One of means most students are tall, but we selected only Sita. Sita one among them. Sita is one among them. More are there. That's what we written. Common noun is in plural. So Sita is one of the tallest girls in the class. So before the adjective, that is the common I told. Okay. So tallest girls in the class. This is the superlative degree. Now we have to change into comparative degree. Sita is taller than many other girls in the class. Is there any difference? Yes. Why? Because in the comparative degree, after than we written any other. But here, after than is a common. After than we written many other. Because in the superlative degree, common noun is in plural. That means there is a competition to Sita. Why? Because one among them, we selected one. That's what we written. Many other girls are there. We selected only Sita. That's what we written. Many other girls in the class. Okay, ma? This is the superlative degree to comparative degree. So, how about the positive degree? Very few girls in the class are as tall as Sita. So, in the positive degree, start with very few. So, first one, common noun is in plural. Based on that, we written many other. That's why there is a competition in the positive degree. Very few girls are there, but we give an importance to the Sita. Very few girls in the class are as tall as Sita. Have you understood, ma? Ordinary type and special type. Ordinary type clues are different and special types are also different because there is a little difference. Then you have to identify what is the common, what is the ordinary type, superlative degree, comparative degree and positive degree. How to write? So what are the common clues? What are the main clues to identify? That is the ordinary type and special type. When you remember, easily you can write whatever we give. Okay, so no need to by heart. You have to remember what are the clues of ordinary type and special type. Okay, ma? Have you understood? So tomorrow I will continue the third type and the fourth type. Okay, is it clear? Is it easy, ma? Okay, bye.